So we're gonna put the trailer together?
We'll see how we have to feel after painting.
Try again.
We might put
This is our Copart Tracker Grizzly that we picked up last year and are just getting around to doing the rebuild on it. It's in decent shape. For some reason this was considered a total loss by the insurance company. Their loss, my gain. You can see it was owned by Wilkes Rescue Squad in North Carolina. I reached out to them to find out a little history on it so I could get the title for it. It appears that a building fell on it and that's why it got totaled. You can see a little bit of a dent. The only marks you can see, there's a little dent along the left side there. I don't even think I'm going to try to fix that. I'm just going to leave it. We're going to give it some new paint because they put white paint on it when they were using it. I don't like the white paint, so we're going to strip it. We're going to put some traditional green on it, go for a little bit of a two-tone. I think the inside will look pretty similar to what it already is. The outside will just be a little bit darker, and it's going to look good.
halfway done yet?
Yeah.
All right, we got all the carpet scraped off. We're gonna take the handles off, flip it over, start sanding.
So we got this bad boy prepped for paint, sanded it down, washed it off. So right now we're about to actually do the priming. Alright, so at this point the trailer is completely painted. The boat we just finished painting. We put our second coat of the green bear paint on there and it looks pretty good. So while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and work on this. We went out today to the hardware store. We picked up two 2x4s, both of them are 8 feet long, and they're going to be the new bunks for the trailer because originally that trailer had roller bunks on it, which is okay for a fiberglass boat, but it's not the best thing for an aluminum boat because it can cause rippling and denting in the bottom of the hull. So we're going to prep these 2x4s with spar urethane, which after that, let that dry, throw some carpet on there, and they'll be good to go for the last few years. Done for the day. Boat's still drying. It's not ready for a clear coat, so we're gonna do clear coat tomorrow. We just put a second coat on the bunks. This should be good. Let that dry overnight.
Okay, today we are going to carpet the bunks, work on the trailer and the motor. Okay, so first things first is you lay your carpet out and then you put the wood on it. And then we will measure it out and see how much we need to cut. Then we use the glue and glue it down, and then we use the staple gun and go around the edges. So it's pretty quick, it's really easy.
Alright, so since we got the bunks made up and are ready to be installed, what I did was first went down to the boat, measured the flat section of the bottom of the boat, which I think is just perfect. It's 8 feet, maybe 7 feet, 10 inches. Our bunks are 8 feet, so that works out just perfectly. You want the back of your bunk to at least reach the back of your transom, the bottom. That way, if you have a motor hanging on there, you don't get a dent or a sagging on the part that's not supported by a bunk. So we don't have to worry about that. The bunk's going to go all the way to the back of the boat.
Nice LED lights. Alright, so we got the axle and the fenders on. We're gonna go get a new hub and some wheels. We got the lights on, looking fancy. Got wheels on it. Now we're gonna put the boat on it. We did it. It's a little unconventional, but it was only 2 people. Looks nice. Trailer is done, boat is secured. We put some bolts in the transom where you can put a motor, but we're not putting one of those kinds, so go ahead and seal it up. It's gonna be it for this video. We gotta design the inside. What we're gonna do: carpet, floor, paint, sand, motor. Gonna put some fun electronics in there too. So that's the next part of the project. We out.